Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to create a fillable PDF form for free. Now, in order for us to get started, I have this example right here. And as you can see, if you're going to go ahead and click on the blank, you can go ahead and basically add a text here. So say for example, just like so, and scroll down here, you have the client name. Now you can go ahead and basically add more for the other around here. Say for example, date, amount due, amount paid, and of course a signature. Now I'm going to show you how I got this done. First things first, let's just go ahead and basically open the file that we are going to be using. So it should be this one right here. This is the contract, and as you can see, I cannot really write here on this file. Now to get this done, go ahead and look for docfly. This is what we are going to be using. All right, now that we are here, it is important, by the way, that we can only basically create a form 3 PDF files a month. Okay, if you are going to be using this for free, of course you can go ahead and basically subscribe if you are ready for this one, if you are sure that this is what you want to use. Now I'm gonna go ahead and basically click this one right here, and this is the contract. Again, I'm gonna open it. All right, so this is the one I was talking about earlier. So I've already done the edit, which I did show you earlier. All right, so here, go ahead and click form creator, and basically you can go ahead and click here to add a field. So this is for text field, you have paragraph field, checkbox field, radio field, and so many other options down here. So go ahead and choose which one you want. For example, text, I'm going to be adding it here. Let's just go ahead and try to align this one just like so, and then make some adjustment here. All right, click it once again, go ahead and add it here, and then if we are going to scroll down, we can go ahead and add a text because this is name. All right, so we can go ahead and add it here. Now for the date, there's also an option here to add it for a date. So click this, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to add it around here. Now for the amount, let's just go ahead and try to add a text field to that. We can just use a number in this case. Amount, still the same thing, we're gonna be using text here. And then for the signature down here, you have the signature option here at the top. There you go, and then you can go ahead and basically click or add it here just like so. Now once you're done, go ahead and click the save button right here, and then export this one. So click download. Now as you can see, I only have 2 export credits. Again, this is only a limit for 3 if you are using this one for free. So I'm going to click sample files, and I'm gonna go ahead and right here editable contract, and then hit the save button. Open this one, and you can see that now we can type here. And that, everybody, is how you are going to create a fillable PDF form for free.